Welcome back to another video. Today I have a new thing to show you guys. I can't censor that. I am so sorry for you guys if you're offended. If you haven't read my post before, I have been working on World War II map, the World War II small scale. Yeah, small scale 19. No, yeah, World War II it's 1942. And you might say, we go down here. Huge thing that I really hate is that these two are not even. And no, I didn't do that on accident. It's on purpose. I follow everything on that reference image, including this. There's like red parts. Operation Barbarossa, Finland's expansion in the Soviet Union. Okay. Huge mistake I've made is the Soviet flag, so I planned on doing that after finishing Asia. I'm supposed to finish I forgot what it's called, a piece of Norway, and it's actually not claimed by Nazi. Claimed by Germany. I'm gonna call it Germany to keep it friendly. So you guys think kids should not be saying it. But there's like a Norwegian place not claimed by Germany. Bad Germany. Yes, America owns Iceland. Don't judge. I guess you guys don't really comment on my videos, but you can comment what's not scales, but what timeline. Like I'm doing 1942. In one of my other words, I'm doing 1815 big scale. Yeah. Oh yeah, have any questions on this? Yeah. Saudi Arabia has a changed flag, and it's actually much harder than the other. And yes, this took me like 30 minutes. I don't know why. And this is North Yemen. I just figured that out on figuring out their old flag. Don't know what that is part. So I'm saying that's part of the Turkish people. I don't know. I have no idea. Could be anything. Iran was kind of fun. This is part of the Soviet. I'm using red terracotta because, like, if I do red, you can't really tell a difference for that. So, and I think it'll make more sense because these two are different shades. Afghanistan was fun. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I mean, I can show you guys my other worlds, but they're horrible. I've tried to do tiny scale. I failed once more. Here's my big scale world I've been working on. In my post, I told you guys I'm working on a big scale. He goes on his MC Atlas Discord. They, like, a month ago or whatever, they posted the one with, like, the balls, like the micro countries. I call them micro states, but yeah, I guess micro state balls. And like an updated version. So this is how much I've built. I have two more things to show you. I already said one in the other one. I got inspiration from a good guy I know on YouTube. I just watch his videos. But yeah. No, I only know Jersey. Yeah, whatever his name. Jersey and Jersey or whatever, I don't know. Andorra, Monaco, Liechtenstein. I'm gonna build Denmark soon. Probably Slovakia and Poland. Probably Hungary after building Slovakia. The only one I had messed up on was Austria. I don't know how. So don't judge, but this is my best. Another big skill I'm working on. 1815. scale. I found this on Google, so like the reference is horrible. So I can barely. So I was guessing it was looking orange whitish. I was guessing it was Santa Marina, so I put light blue. So all these flags are true. My favorite is probably the Papal States. Yeah. This was horrible to make. Not more than half, but less than half of it is from me. Like all of the dark and those shades are from the thing. And probably all of this is from me. I was too lazy to make it. Sorry for you guys that wants 100% perfection. It's gonna take a few months to make because of how many countries. Well, how many less countries? Lastly, this is only let's do that. I don't know to make it. Oh yeah, probably gonna not make any tutorials on these guys. On the ones. Probably the 1815 big scale. Obviously not 1942, because I think YouTube would demonetize me and not let me. Or I could just make a new world and cover it with white concrete and just let it be. But yeah, I've been working on this. It's gonna take a few months because I want to like make a whole civil war revolution in Russia and make some blank spaces everywhere else. A few changes in Africa. Morocco, Spanish owns that. Tunisia changed their flag. Syria, because they're against the Union. Oh yeah, this is like this. Forgot. Iran took some bits. All these are like from the Soviet Union, but that's the coat of arms. Another coat of arms is Denmark. You can probably tell. I forgot the name. I added that and some of this and Crimea because I like them. Flag. Ireland was my first one that changed. The last one that changed was Scotland, I think, or Morocco. Ireland was the first one. A lot has changed. Spread into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 countries, and some not said because there's one right here in this general area that claims to be country, but no, it's lore. It's called lore. Believe in it. Scotland, because of their different culture. Oh, America has a huge change. I got many ideas from other people. The Americas, I've been working on adding the old land of Mexico, the Mexican Empire. I'm planning on adding the French. I know Canada wasn't really part of it. I'm adding it. So in this area is going to be like the newer Louisiana Purchase. This is the Union. This is part of the Republic of Florida. The flag is very complicated, and I'm probably going to make a tutorial on this. New Guatemala, the Greater. I think that's what I'm going to name it. Greater Guatemala. I was planning on changing all those. I changed my mind. Oh, I changed it. Yeah, you. Bolivia, Peru gained some coastline, and Chile still owns this. Bolivia now has. I'm probably gonna add their coat of arms because they're probably gonna get rid of that, but it looks cool. Uruguay is now under Brazil's control, so they're like a puppet. I feel like I have something else to show you guys. Oh, here's a huge thing I made. No, it's not huge. No. It's a failure. I gave up on this since I could download the small scale. This was my tutorial world. No, where I followed a tutorial and built all of this. But since this, the Caspian Sea, Uzbekistan, it has failed. Even though it absolutely looks great. Oh, I was like, oh, let's just build in here, because it's whatever. No, I gave up. I just gave up. The great YouTuber, though. Great YouTuber. What else did I want to show you? I was building that, but until the new one came, I gave up. Oh, wait! I forgot something. Just like MCLS and the other people, I've added a room. Right here, this is where these are my old flag maps. Oh, because I reached, I just that. But I had a huge mistake on that, but I don't know what. Oh yeah, Northern Ireland has added Netherlands. I think I added. Oh yeah, there's banners for those. I've not added that. Teleport back. This is my newer room. Yes, I know it's horrible. I have not added that. I'm shocked. But yeah, here it is. That's it. Goodbye.